My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about hygiene while you're hiking. It is T-minus 1 day until I go to the Grand Canyon. We're going to be hiking there for 4 days, and after this last set of videos, you're going to be seeing my vlogs. So it's truly the last days of setup. So this is actually a request video. I just want to say hello to Becky if she's actually watching this. I'm not too sure. She's the one that gave me this idea. So she was asking me, how do you stay hygienic while you're hiking the Grand Canyon? And I thought that is a great question. I mean, we all know that when you're hiking and camping, it's impossible to stay clean, and that's because you're just out in the wilderness. But there are some things, and I wanted to show you, that I plan on bringing to the Grand Canyon in order to help me feel comfortable, stay semi-clean in the Grand Canyon. So the first thing I want to talk about is bringing, if you have it and if you look it up online, is your own toilet paper for the Grand Canyon. They use a special single-ply toilet paper that is not very good, but they have a more expensive kind that is used for those tanks as well, so that it can be broken down. And that is what I am also bringing, and my brother as well is bringing to the Grand Canyon. So I just have a little miniature toilet kit that I do with toilet paper, and it doubles as tissue, by the way, and also antibacterial stuff here. So this stuff is really useful and absolutely critical when hiking and camping in the outdoors because there's no running water. So the other tip that I wanted to give is I keep a separate bag like this for all my hygienic type of stuff, you know, for brushing my teeth, washing my face, all that type of stuff. And I thought I'd go through this today, what I plan on bringing. Now, the first thing I want to let you know and that you should bring are these Cottonelle wipes. You have to pack these out because they're not flushable and you can't put them in the dump toilets that they have at the Grand Canyon. But you can use these to wash off your body and then just pack them out, you know, because they're pretty lightweight or whatnot, so they're not too bad. So I just bring these along to wipe off my body every day. At the end of the day, it's all sweaty. I'm gummy from all the SPF 30 that I'm going to be wearing, all this sunscreen. So it's good to have something like this to use. Along with this, I mean, as far as like being hygienic, I just keep the regular stuff. You know, I have a little deodorant and toothbrush, a little folding toothbrush, one of these things, and toothpaste. See, just goes like that. I'll show you close-ups of all this stuff too. A little tiny brush for my hair, keep it away from my face. And then I have these little cotton pads and hair ties, extra hair ties, and then these are flossers, and then just some panty liners just in case, you know, you never know. I'm a woman, okay? And then I just have this little baby powder. I use this. And here's a little body lotion. Oh, it almost fell. Little body lotion as well. And an extra pocket back, face cream, and I just have a couple other things in here. So this is face wash. I just have a little tiny tube of it, and I just keep cling wrap on the top of it in order to make it watertight. Otherwise it leaks a little bit because these bottles kind of suck. And then of course, sunscreen, the most important. And then that's it as far as my cleansing, being hygienic on the trail, you know, because there's no running water, and you know, you have to be sure to bring pocket back, lots and lots of antibacterial. Whether you bring wipes, I don't prefer the wipes, I prefer the gel. I know certain gels have chemicals in it. Somebody was bringing to my attention that the gels have a chemical that's, you know, not good to use, but you know what? I'm out camping. I don't care about the chemical stuff that I'm putting on my hands at that time. I just want it to be clean. I want it to use alcohol. That is what the pocket bag does, and that's the stuff that I get. So, you know, I don't really mind. And then in order to be clean as possible while you're hiking, you know, you just bring some of those comforts from your home. You know, if you use face wash every day, you know, to just get all the grime off my face, I have the same face wash that I use, and I have powder to keep myself dry because it's hot, it's sticky, we're dry, it's in the Grand Canyon, it's really dusty, there's a lot of crap in the air, you know, it sticks to you, it's gross. So you just, bring comforts from your home, but just put it in little tiny travel containers. That way you don't have to worry about carrying these huge containers, and it's not such a mess, in order to bring with you. So that's my quick tip of the day. I just thought I'd make a short little video of it, and yeah, that is it. So let me know if you have any questions below. Thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you like it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below, or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.